Actor Nawazuddin Siddiqui says his character in Serious Man itself is a flawed one, but eventually he stays with people. Based on Manu Joseph's book by the same name, the film is a sharp take on ambition and caste politics, put in perspective in the Indian context. The actor has been nominated in the Best Actor category at the International Emmy Awards for the film. Nawaz said, "It's a matter of great honor to simply be nominated. It's a film that is intricate and depicts the raw frailties of Indian societies." He added, "The diversity of our culture is reflected in the narrative, and Sudhir Mishra, the director, has brought it out so well with this story. My character itself is a flawed one, but eventually he stays with you. I had a wonderful time with Sudhir Bhai, and may this film be the first of many for us." Filmmaker Sudhir Mishra, who has directed Serious Man, is elated at the nomination. "I always knew Nawaz is the guy who can truly do justice to the character. It takes a truly remarkable actor like him to make a duplicitous character appealing. A lot of the film's beauty comes from the fact that Nawaz and I are a solid team," Mishra said. The filmmaker added, "We get each other and we work together to elevate the material. He was a strong pillar of support through the making. I am delighted that we made a film that not only won laurels on domestic shores but put the country on the map at an international forum like the Emmys. Here's hoping for a big win." The recent released first look of Nawazuddin Siddiqui on his social media from his first English feature film, No Land's Man, has garnered a lot of attention. The film has already bagged a nomination from Busan Film Festival for Kim Ji-sook Award. Nawazuddin has also shared his excitement for the nomination. "It feels great to receive such a massive response from the audience. I am glad to learn that the viewers are interested in cinema like No Land's Man. The film is a satire on the issues that we as a world are facing. I am sure that everyone across the globe will connect with the film and the subject that it brings forth." No Land's Man is directed by filmmaker Mustafa Sarwar Farooqi, and A.R. Rahman is the music composer and executive producer. The film also stars Megan Mitchell, Tahsin Khan, Aisha Chopra, Kiran Khoj, and Vikram Kocher. Also with Nawazuddin, the film is produced by Srihari Sathe, Nusrat Imroz, Tisha, Anjan Chaudhary, and Faridur Reza Sagar. No Land's Man will be going to the Busan Film Festival in October and will be released later in India. INS Report.